Colin and Sam back with another video. Today we're going to be playing Hot Shot, and we have some new contestants. Chase, William, and then James is behind the camera.
Hey guys, what's up?
How this works is, so this cone is 5 points. This is
orange.
2 points, 3 points, 4 points. You want the most points at the end of your minute, and whoever wins gets to keep that basketball.
Before we start this video, make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below.
Post notification, then comment what we should do next.
Your face is huge.
Okay, I'm gonna be. Okay, Sam's first.
Sam is going to go first.
James, watch out.
I'm going to start at the middle. All right, William, you ready? Time? You ready? Here, I'll
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
0.
0, 59, 58, okay, 0. Zilk. It's going for the 5. Oh, 1. Okay. 0. I'm going to shot.
You better go.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
You got 40 seconds.
Go. Hurry. What is this?
8,
Please. 0 points right now. How much time? 25 seconds. Go, Sam. He's still at 0, guys. What is wrong with this?
What is wrong?
That doesn't even count because he's not behind the cone.
Come on,
That doesn't
Sam.
count either. Go, Sam. You have 10
He has 0.
What is wrong
Zilk,
with this boy?
0. Love. Nope.
No. How much time? No, that doesn't count.
No, 1 point. 1 point.
Go. And time's up. 2 points. 2 points.
Okay,
2
Sam
points.
has got 1.
Okay.
Chase's turn.
No, it's my turn.
James' turn.
Getting angry with the rage. I'm seeing the rage.
Oh!
He's getting some physicality. Rage monster. Physical.
Okay, Chase. Chase's turn.
Oh! James is up. I'm up. Wait. Oh! Yo, wait it up. He just messed up this entire thing. Fix that one. No, that was.
Okay, James, your turn.
Time's up. Fix that cone.
Ready, set, go.
Go. Go. Fix it.
Go.
Wait. Who's timing me? Okay.
Ready, set.
No, wait. I need a timer. Who's got a timer?
Anyone who wants water, it's right here.
Okay, who needs a timer?
I'm on a timer.
Alright, tell me whenever. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. 0. 0. 0. Make sure you get
No, that's 2. No, Sam actually got 2.
He made 2 shorts.
You know, the shorts are 2.
Yeah, they don't. Oh, yeah. Sam's up.
James has a 2.
subscribe in 5, 4,
James has 2.
3, 2, 1. Comment down below if you can subscribe in 5 seconds.
Comment down below what we should do next.
And comment down below who you think's gonna
Whoever
win.
loses has to get wet.
Got a mower?
A vlogger and the mower. Oh, rage. Rage a little.
He's
Rage
done.
a little.
So, my turn.
James's total score was
8. Okay, my turn.
8
Sam, my turn.
points.
Sam,
No, I'm
stop.
talking.
Here, let me go. I have to go.
Okay, Chase's turn. Chase's turn. He's about to go.
What is that right there, by the way?
Sam, stop.
Who's timing me?
Who's timing? Guys, who's timing? James, time it.
Alright, I got you ready.
Set.
Wait. Ready?
No, 3.
Set.
Go.
Go.
1 point. Wow. That's 2 points. 2 points.
I got 9 points actually.
James has 9, Sam has 2. Good old 2.
9. Already?
Wait, that's 8, 9, that's 10. 15.
Chase is already at 5th.
17.
Now what is it?
21.
21 points with Chase in the lead right now.
24.
24.
25.
25.
For the 30.
30.
30. I don't think anybody will be able to beat this. Because it's only me left. Huh?
No, me too.
Oh,
Get up.
and Colin.
5.
Get up.
No.
No, I'm doing something
2.
with this.
No.
1. My turn. Okay.
No, just
Oh.
it'll be like 1 minute.
No. Okay, well, it's my turn anyways.
Okay.
No, my turn.
All right, no, Sam, stop. I'm
No.
vlog-
Here,
No, the vlogger has
Hey,
to say
I'm
you.
gonna go. Who's timing me? James. James, time.
Just please
James,
let
ready?
me
Get
get
ready.
on it.
No, I have to vlog.
Stay
The
here.
vlogger stays here. You can vlog for me.
Stay.
Wait.
No,
Before
I'm
he
doing
starts.
something on this.
Don't you
Colin, stay here.
Ew! Okay. Mr. What?
Hey, come on.
All right, he has to go and eat dinner. So, see you in
I'll
a
be
little
back.
bit. All right.
Okay.
Well-
Colin, stay here. I'll be back. Okay.
I believe this is the reason
Stay at
behind
Sam's house.
things that we get 3 subscribers.
Okay. James,
This is
start
the
my
person.
timer. James, start my timer.
All right, you ready?
Colin, stay here. I'll be out.
All right, on your mark.
James, I'm vlogging.
Get set
Everyone, test it.
and go.
Watch out. You want to get out of the vlog. I'm turning this thing on. And
Poor
drive.
Sam.
Watch out.
4.
Hey, don't put it away.
Go ahead.
Yo, he has nothing to cut. Literally. This man has some problems. Ah! Oh no, angry mom coming out. Sam, why are you cutting the grass and there's no grass to cut? Smells horrible.
Yeah, we did not expect that.
Oh boy. 2, 1.
I'm gonna say bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Colin's leaving.